Hi, this is Ken Lau. Well, I have tools, right, that is I'm using it for myself. Right? So for example, it's called the quotation invoice and receipt system, right? Because I'm facing that quite a lot in my trainings uh, business, right? So basically, I enter the client's name, the person in charge name, and then I just click quotations, right? So if I here change it to JJ, right? Then I just quotations, then quotations, right? Well, let's see, right? There is a issue here, right? Because it should be here 163, right? No, take a look at that, right? Because okay, so 163 is all the names are right there, and I can find out the list of things I want, right? As you can see, this change, right? As for the date as well, right? So as for the date, right, I want to further get that text function, right? Put it right here. So and also right here, the text is right here. The text functions. So right here, comma, and then dd, yo. So enter, right? So right here 16 to, so if I want to say that the day is somewhere here 15 to 17, that's 3 days, right? 16, so the time is specified, but you can change it anyway, right? If you like, say it should be 8 to 5, right? And that is okay, right? Because it's just there, right? So you can change to 8 to 5, and you can have a training throw and say maybe one and so on. So there's a lot of ways to do a customization, right? For cost trainers, right, you can put down there more as well, right? So that will automatically change as well, right? So you can write in the say maybe so maybe 1,500 days, right? And that's 3 days. That's about that. So that's the cost ID, code ID. You can always change that to 1368, right? On that. So that changed to 1368, and you can just click on the PDF and it will generate this quotations. You can send it to your person according to this email there as well. If you have using the Microsoft Outlook, you can send this quotation immediately, right? So now what's interesting is that, right, let's say this is quotations and the customer like it, and you can just pick up this menu and click transfer to invoices, right? And we will now go to this worksheet, right? And everything will be just right. The Excel function 1517, exactly just like what we have, right? And that's the date. And if you like that, we can just insert that, convert it to PDF again, right? And you can also email that. So click that email buttons, right? And it will convert, it will attach this email address, right? And then send to this person, right? So it's already pre-recorded things, right? And then finally, right, you can have options whether you want to keep that invoice, right? If you keep that invoice, right, it will be right here. So it will be right here. So you can keep right there. So perhaps I will just want to just have some. Okay. So I'll just try one more time. Click the invoices. So it's right here, right? As you can see there. It's right here, invoices. So but just like this, and I just now let's say this is done, right? I want to say that okay, this is paid, so I want to give usual receipt, right? I can just click on this again, right? Then that's it, right? This is all. Okay, that's again, I can just email that receipt again, convert it to a PDF file, attach it, right, and send it. It's just that's quite simple, right? and that's all right. So in this version, right, I'm recording here is actually a free kind of a trial case, right? So you can actually email me, right? You can get download this software, right? For you can enter hand customer, right, and get a feel of what it means, right? So if you like it, do purchase from us, right? So we can save you time, right? Can you imagine how much time you save, right? And how much errors you can reduce, right? So thank you very much. So if you want to email to me, right, if you want this line, you can always email that to this email address, right? So it's cylau.can@gmail.com. Thank you.